Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add footnotes in Microsoft Word. It's really simple actually. Let's say you're working on an assignment or a research paper or whatever, and you want to add references down here. Okay, the footnotes. All you do is come click on references. Literally that simple. Come click here, and you're going to see this option, insert footnote. What it's going to do, it's going to insert footnote to the bottom of every page. Let's say I want to reference this that I got it from Wikipedia. I can just write it up, or I can just copy and paste the URL right there. And it's gonna show that under footnotes, and I can do the same thing for the second page. Just insert a footnote, and I can do that as well. I can say this was done by myself. So that's literally that easy and simple, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.